Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Crystal blue metallic with barley or ivory leather. Jaguar XF 3 litre diesel V6 premium luxury. Automatic, 79,000 miles. Cam belt replaced at 58,000 miles with 10 services. Big spec car really, with a reverse camera, blind spot monitoring, front park sensors, rear park sensors, daytime running lights, headlamp washers, keyless entry, sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth. See the reverse camera up under the flash on the boot lid, the silver stripe on the trim on the boot lid, rear park sensors, folding rear seats, the little squares on the door handles denote the keyless entry and keyless start. Inside, yeah, it looks like ivory leather, very nice. Electric seats, heated seats. Got the dynamical sports button, memory seats, electric steering column, paddle change, multifunction steering wheel with cruise. As I say, got the dynamical sports button. I think we've got the fitted mats, they're just being cleaned at the moment. As I say, folding rear seats, reverse camera, super clean in the boot. Got the 60/40 split rear seat. I've checked the handles are up underneath the rear parcel shelf in the boot area to fold the seats down. Price $5,595 for a 3 litre with a sport button. 10 services, 79,000 miles. Lots of lovely car for the money this. Chrome flashes on the or chrome wing vents. There's the memory buttons for the seats, folding mirrors, electric mirrors, nice leather steering wheel. 79,000 miles, sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, blind spot monitoring built into the wing mirrors. Yeah, lovely thing that. £5,595, that won't be around for long. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, that's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we have produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you'll be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243, then you'll get a little notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we've had that car in. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.